Nearly 90,000 Marylanders have now been infected with coronavirus, with more than 3,300 deaths. 592 people are in the hospital, and more than 130 of them are in the ICU. With the increase in cases, schools across the state are moving to have virtual instruction in the fall. However, Governor Hogan disagrees with Montgomery County's decision to close private and parochial. As long as these schools develop safe plans that follow CDC and state guidelines, they should be empowered to do what's best for their community. Well, millions of Americans are facing the prospect of evictions and lapsed unemployment benefits after the White House and Congress failed to reach a new deal. Nicole Killian reports for WJZ.
The White House's top two negotiators arrived early on Capitol Hill, spending about 3 hours behind closed doors with Democratic leaders.
We're not close yet, but it was a productive discussion.
For the first time in days,
the urgency is so great.
All sides appear to be on the same page.
It needs to be a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week kind of commitment until we get this done.
Even if they don't yet see eye to eye.
We're very interested in extending on enhanced unemployment insurance. We're very interested in schools. We're very interested in jobs.
The White House and Republicans have been pushing a shorter-term extension of unemployment benefits. Democrats want to keep the $600 weekly payments through January.
I think a lot of people in Washington are out of touch.
It's an excruciating waiting game for those out of work.
The only word I could really say is terrified to describe how we feel.
With talks set to continue this weekend and Monday on a broader coronavirus relief package, Arizona Democrat Raul Grijalva became the latest lawmaker to test positive for COVID-19. It follows the diagnosis of Texas Republican Louis Gohmert, who was chastised by some colleagues for not wearing a mask. At the White House, the president lashed out on Twitter over testing and turned his attention to a different social media platform, TikTok.
We're looking at TikTok.
Telling reporters he plans to ban the popular Chinese-owned video app in the U.S. A company exec said TikTok's not going anywhere.
We appreciate the support. We're here for the long run.
The administration has expressed national security concerns with TikTok and suggested it may be sharing Americans' data with the Chinese government. The company disputes that and says it is committed to user privacy. Nicole Killian, CBS News, the White House.
Lowe's is giving away $55 million in grants to small businesses that are struggling during the pandemic. The home improvement chain is providing the funds through a nonprofit called the Local Initiatives Support Corporation. $30 million will go towards women and minority-owned businesses. The rest will support those in rural communities. Applications are due tomorrow.